Okay, so today I've been getting static shocks off of certain equipment like the belt sander and the polisher. The only way to cure this is to put a nice big metre long 3-foot earth pole into the ground. Obviously, first off, I did test everything and I do have an earth. The earth is good. I just think because the workshop is so far from the house, the static electric is travelling the shortest distance down to ground, which is through me. So this is just the best way to cure everything. And when you're done, just check everything is tight. The screw,
so this is where my power comes in. So that is the point I'm going for on the securing of the earth. I don't mean planet Earth, I mean earth wire. Yeah? So I'm just going to stick a hole through there. Alright, that's that hole through there.
I shall knock this all the way into the ground when I'm finished.
See, that is now coming through there.
Strip off this end of the earth wire, ready to stick it in a big earth block. Time now to disconnect the 240 volt supply from the house to the workshop. Oh, everything's gone dark. Shit. Ah, thank God for that. I've plugged it into my emergency supply.
So what I've done, we just follow the wire back. The wire comes up and turn it off. And it goes into
my inverter, which goes to a 12 volt leisure battery, which is charged by a solar panel.
So just to prove that my inverter, my solar power works, I'll turn it off now. So turn it back on. That can power the whole shed, lights, grinders, bench grinders, everything for about 2 to 3 hours. So that's a fantastic backup. I'll go more into detail in that in the future. We'll pull that through to there, because that's now disconnected from outside, so it's totally dead. Alright, I know it's dead. Alright, so I'm going to open this up. I know it's dead because I just disconnected it. I'll open this up and there.
So here I'm adding in a 4mm, which is about a 3/6 earth wire, into the socket, which I will run back and join to that earth block I put in. So now we connect all the earth wires to the earth block. Job done. And here's that rod banged right into the ground. 1 metre of rod in the ground, earthing everything lovely. No more static shocks. Good job. That's all for today. I will do a future video on the emergency power supply. Have a good day and bye for now.